Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Cool collab here, Kali Uchis and Ravyn. Ravyn is new for me here. Probably I should know about this artist, but I don't. I have to confess that. Anyway, they do cry about it. A great, cool song. And I'm using a great, cool guitar as well. This is from Anchor Guitars. And you can use my coupon code GordonGuitar10 to get 10% off from a very affordable price already. So this is a very good guitar, and you get a lot of guitar for the money, guys. So get a deal there, 10% off. Now let's focus on Cry About It. We have a capo set here on the 6th position. Absolute best scenario for us. We have 3 chords are the main chords, and then we have some other chords we need to add to get the outro as well. So let's start with this 3 main chords. It's A minor first. It goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the F. We have a bar chord here, so you place the index finger on this first fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. That's the F chord. And finally, we have the G here, finally, which means all the main chords, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Then to handle the outro in the end, we need to learn the D minor. That will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. We also need the C chord. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, open E, and now finally the E. And that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. Alright, so let's learn the strumming pattern now. If you grab the first chord A minor, one strumming round will be about 6 downs like this. Notice how I'm playing here on the strings. I'm playing on the bass strings pretty much all the time, except from the 4th down. I go down and play on the higher strings. So bass, 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 top, bass, bass. Okay, that gives us this certain rhythm. Now let's play this main part, which will be A minor, 1 string around, F1 and G2. Again, A minor, F, G, G. Alright, so that is what's going on pretty much through the entire song, almost, until the outro starts about 2 minutes and 13 seconds in. This is where you change some things up here. You're going to start with D minor, 2 string rounds, G2, C2, and F2. Okay? So you're going to play this for 2 rounds. So play that again for the 2nd round, and then you finish off on the 3rd round. You're going to play D minor 2, E2, then F1 down with a pause, and the pause of that, the length of it will be as if you would play 2 string rounds, but you don't. You just play 1 down, and then you play the G1 down, and you play then after that G1 down with a short little pause. You finish off with 4 fast downs on that G. So to repeat the outro here, you play D minor 2, G2, C2, F2 for 2 rounds. And then the last round you play D minor 2, E2, F1 down and the pause, G1 down and the pause, and you end with 4 downs. And that, my friends, is how you handle Cry About It from Kali Uchis and Ravyn. Hope to see you soon, guys. I really do. And I enjoy to playing this tutorials for you guys, educate you, so hope to get something back. Leave me some feedback here, comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.